Put the dot at the cap, or right in the middle of the bottle, and look down the barrel.
Swear
Okay?
to God, I'd be better doing this drinking. I'm gonna do it sober.
Try the 1 ounce shot. There you go. How's your arm?
Fucking hurt. Did I get it?
Yeah, a little bit high. Should be able to get it with those.
Wait.
Oh, you're going to try to slug again? Lean into it, like I said. To the left.
What the fuck?
That hurt.
Yeah. Ow.
To the left again. Put that dot right there, and just slowly squeeze the trigger.
That's a dot.
Put the dot right in the center of the bottle, and squeeze the trigger.
I give up.
Huh?
I give up.
Okay. You want me to try?
No, just do it. You don't need to try. Look how red I am.
I'm colorblind, remember?
Motherfuck.
No, if you shot left-handed,
Uh-huh.
you'll make it. Huh?
Shoot right-handed. Try her right.
You hit it. Right?